In this video, we listed the 5 best USB-C external Ethernet adapter on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Vention TGV Ethernet Adapter. The Vention 9-in-1 USB-C hub is a versatile docking station designed to enhance connectivity and functionality for various devices. With a compact length of 15 cm, it features a USB Type-C interface and offers multiple ports, including HDMI for 4K at 60Hz video output, Gigabit Ethernet for stable internet connectivity, and several USB-A and USB-C ports supporting high-speed data transfers of up to 5 gigabits per second. Their hub also includes SD and TF card slots with speeds of 104 megabytes per second, making it ideal for multimedia tasks. Its 100W power delivery capability allows users to charge their laptops while utilizing the hub's features. Compatible with a wide range of operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, and iPad OS, this hub is perfect for both personal and professional use, offering a reliable solution for managing multiple devices simultaneously. Number 2. UGREEN USB-C External Ethernet Adapter. The UGREEN USB Ethernet adapter is a high-performance external network card designed to provide reliable wired connectivity for a variety of devices, including laptops, desktops, and gaming consoles like the Nintendo Switch and Steam Deck. Featuring a USB 3.0 interface with an RJ45 port, this adapter supports transmission rates of up to 1000 megabits per second, ensuring fast and stable internet access. Its compatibility spans multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, iPad OS, Android, and iOS. The adapter is constructed with a durable aluminum metal shell and ABS materials, and it offers several advanced features such as full duplex and half duplex support, wake-on LAN functionality, and protection against short circuits and overcurrent. With an indicator light for power and data transfer status, this adapter is an essential accessory for users seeking to enhance their wired network performance. Number 3. Baseus 10 gigabits per second adapter. The Baseus Metal Gleam Series 2 USB-C hub is a highly versatile 10-in-1 docking station designed for seamless connectivity across various devices and operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. With a sleek aluminum alloy construction in deep gray, this hub features an HDMI port that supports stunning 4K at 60Hz video output, alongside multiple USB ports, including USB-A 3.1 and USB-C 3.1 with data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. It also includes 2 USB-A 2.0 ports, SD and TF card slots with speeds of 104 megabytes per second, and a gigabit RJ45 port for fast internet connections. Their hub supports 100W power delivery for efficient laptop charging and offers advanced features like a screen-off button for privacy, smart port recognition, and multiple circuit protections for safe operation. Ideal for users looking to expand their device connectivity, the Baseus hub combines functionality with high performance, making it an essential accessory for modern digital workflows. Number 4. MOKiN Ethernet Adapter. The MOKiN hub docking station is a versatile and powerful USB-C docking solution designed to enhance productivity across various devices, including MacBooks, iPads, Thunderbolt laptops, and Android phones. With a compact length of 15 cm and a sleek metal light gray finish, it features multiple ports, including HDMI, DP, USB 3.1, USB Type-C, and RJ45, supporting high-resolution outputs of up to 8K at 30Hz and 4K at 60Hz. The docking station provides efficient power delivery of up to 100W, ensuring quick charging for connected devices while maintaining a stable connection for data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. It is compatible with a wide range of operating systems and offers features like mirror and extended modes for seamless multitasking. MOKiN stands out with its commitment to quality, offering a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, making it an ideal choice for professionals seeking reliable performance in their workspace. Number 5. UGREEN CM209 SBC External Ethernet Adapter. The UGREEN USB Ethernet adapter is a compact and efficient solution for enhancing network connectivity, offering transmission speeds of up to 1,200 megabits per second. Designed for versatility, it supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android, making it compatible with various devices such as laptops, desktops, and gaming consoles like the Nintendo Switch and Xiaomi Mi Box. The adapter features a plug-and-play setup for easy use on compatible systems, while drivers are available for those requiring installation. Built with a durable aluminum metal shell and equipped with an LED indicator for real-time status updates, this adapter ensures reliable performance for tasks such as online gaming, video streaming, and large file transfers. Its lightweight and portable design make it an ideal accessory for users seeking stable and fast wired internet connections on the go.